Two youths lost their lives in a bike accident on Monday night. Their names are Pohor Debarma from Takarjala and Jivan Debarma from Gamantakur village. Two youths went out of their homes on a bike for roaming on Monday. They are Pohor Debarma, 21 years old, son of Khiro Debarma from Takarjala village, and 18 years old Jivan Debarma, son of Kamla Debarma from Gamantakur village. However, on Monday late night in Jabra Kami Village area under Takarjala police station, two youths with a bike made an accident on the side of the road. Locals witnessed the incident and informed the police of Takarjala police station. Later, the police took them to Takarjala Health Center, but the doctor declared both of them passed away. They might have made an accident due to heavy fog on Monday night, said the police.
Khor 12টা 10 rogo Chini thani jabran chimi local loksono phun khaikya borok saka cheremang nei jongpe jona chimi phailai mane bike chalok lai a bike bo pulsar hini bike po namar kerei a sera phaitani jabrani kaisa sorgana bufang tongo a bufanga borok thutai lai khorang noi kla laijak e borok saka jung fire service no phun khaikya sanoro phaiti accordingly chung police Takarjala thana soho chung fire service thana soho chung thangka thakai cheremang noi thuichacha rungkai lama klaijak ge arani gana gene borok phaika borok phai sausono sar tini horbarta 10 togo o cheremang noi borok jomojolo sibi phaitani borok andargun ra kwasani bagai denna sharing bagai dongkha bowanga thutawoi ko klaijak immediately chung borok khorni no chung loge no chung Takarjala sei sibo tui pheleka tui phege kai doctor saka je amangni no kethai hinai ga serangni chung kuno address umaya bung umaya chung onek chai thoka chaitan pore chung maya haipano chung tini phongo yang chini elakani borok chas saijo bai police ni saitu mumbai chung khobor mangka khorokchan mungkai Pohor Debarma bufan mungkai Khiro Debarma parakai latia bil latia sora thana kai bisan kom tai masani kai bumungkai Jivan Debarma bumungkai Kamalakanto Debarma abone parakai gamon thagor parat thana Takarjala accordingly chung abo jehetu borok thika chung tak yam khajang ba chate tongo a thimane bises chung kaisa tak yude case bo chung tin Takarjala thanao nahar jakka
o mankuri ta bojaga tonda
a mankuri ta hospital morgue tongo accordingly chini officer thangka pm khreman pote borok ni je legal guardian chung borok ni handover khairi nai postman khaitong thangka
একদিন মানে বিষয় বুবা হেমা তং লে শেয়ারিন বাগি যেন খানা না বরক নি সাগো কোনো নেসারক
a bole saimia tak pm khaikai ulo chung saimanai asole actual cause of death tamo chunga asante khen bagi chung already chung rohoka chini duijon officer thangka ro doctor bo salai tong ta pm khen pore chung manjang nai abo je chung khramani ja chini physical offense chung man kha borok bike chale phaitani borok horoba kwa sare bi sharing bagai dengkha na on kisorung ka borok thudai thulai kana brake cycle le brake failung kha aborla saimia tobe bike ro chung ekdom khudajak chung chenga chung na manikya
tamro khlai no khorong je lamu chone ro
khoroksa kai class 12 poring khanao tam sakai kisemisa poriya kharchakin khanao
এমনি অমরক বুঝছ অমরক
omar khoroksa ni pohoni boyos to pray 21 tai jibone boyos ka 18
লাকি হামাস
ঠিক আছে thank you.
The deceased body were handed over to the family members after the post-mortem on Tuesday. Their family members, including the villagers, were deeply saddened by this incident happened on the very first day of the new year. Reported by Ashok from Takarjala, Chini, Khorang.